Oh yeah.
I'm 100 and I'm getting it. Como Loma, luxury. And when I drop in this, when I turn up, you know I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. I am so. Yes, I am so. I'm on my.
Why when you're away do I miss you? Is it just because I can't kiss you? Is it dishes in the sink or the lack of a wink? Or just because I love my life with you? I ran with you through our high school halls. You're the prettiest girl there ever was. Annie, darling, you're so sweet, and I'm so glad we had the chance to meet you. Caught my eye and you held my stare. I haven't broken it yet for over 50 years. Thanks for letting me lay by your side and all those kisses every night. Why when you're away do I miss you? Is it just because I can't kiss you? Is it dishes in the sink or the lack of a wink? Or just because I love my life with you? We started ourselves a family. The boys, they came 1, 2, 3, and now they have little ones of their own, and half of them are halfway grown. I followed you around the world, and I still think you're the prettiest girl. And I got to dance with my best friend, so I'm the luckiest man that's ever been. Why when you're away do I miss you? Is it just because I can't kiss you? Is it dishes in the sink or the lack of a wink? Or just because I love my life with you? Is it just because I can't kiss you? Is it dishes in the sink or the lack of a wink? Or just because I love my life? Why when you're away do I miss you? Is it just because I can't kiss you? Is it dishes in the sink or the lack of a wink? Or just because I love my life with you?
I wanna lie on the sofa with you, wearing sweatpants and drinking red wine. Kick our feet, watch TV, eat Chinese, fall asleep with your fingers lacing with mine. We'll just take a load out, baby. Let's just breathe. Oh,
Hey, what's up, y'all?
Hey, Mr. Paul. Or Andy.
Who are we looking at here? AJ? Oh, yeah, I just took a look. AJ on the hourly looks like he's got some space. The 4 hours looks crazy good if we can get some volume. Buys. Are you looking at sells? Already in sells, all right. Yeah, the 4 hour has a moving average underneath it. That's why I was saying that. And the hourly has a 200 candle moving average offering support. Yeah, on the hourly, I don't know. I want your trade to work out. I guess I should just leave it at that. Awesome. Yeah. There's a lot of downward pressure though. You're on the 15 right now? Yeah. What's that, 15, 20 pips? Where'd you enter? Oh, okay, got it. Got it. Got it.
Hey, you.
I got my eyes. Well, I've got a gold trade open, which is going good still. I have a stop loss trailing it by like 100 basis points, so I'm easily in the clear. And then I'm looking at the US 30. It still shows signs of weakness. I was able to buy some of the pullback, which was profitable, but there is a lot of downward momentum. We'll see though. I don't know how Asian's going to respond to it. I'm gonna probably wait for it to open and then see if there's volume. If there's no volume, I'll just stay out. There was 4 hour rejections on the way down, so that concerns me. If I try to go against that, there were pretty strong rejections on the 4 hour. Yeah, so typically that's going to be a really good sign for strong support to go up, but it's showing weakness right now at the moment, and I'm not. And there's of course low volume, and we're coming into Asian, so I'm not touching anything yet. Yeah, it looks like the Nikkei is showing weakness. Yeah, the Nikkei is already getting upside rejections on the 30-minute and the hourly. Did you look at GJ2 or no? Or are you not looking at that right now? The 4 hour looks like it's got a good support, but and I mean it's a deep support. The only question is going to be if the lower time frames are going to just wick out like crazy, because there's a really strong 4 hour support that formed, rejecting to the downside at a previous area of interest. Look at the 4 hour real quick. You see how that? Yeah, see, and it's got that previous interest area, which has got some room to go even if it dips lower, but there's a lot of support right there. And the last time it came here, it ended up going up. AJ? On MT4, after 79.12, after 79.120, it looks pretty clean all the way up to 250, maybe another 15 or 12 pips, 12, 13 pips for on the hourly. Am I reading that wrong? Hey, I ordered that book you recommended, by the way. Wizards of Trading, or the Trading Wizards, new Trading Wizards, Market Wizards. Thank you. Yeah, I ordered like a hardback book because you know I'm an old guy. I like writing books and stuff. Like I was that kid in class, like don't write in your book. I'm like, okay, whatever. Yeah, I can't wait. It comes on Wednesday.
Yo, yo, what up, stream? Hello, hello. Hope everyone had good holidays. What up, TJ, Yolo, Jordan, Mar, Yad, Sam, George, Alu, Ibrahim, hello, hello. Nice job, TJ. Very nice. Feeling strong this new year? I guess. I don't know. Strong enough.
Be still, my darling. All is well, my darling. Your anxious heart may as well be stone. Oh, it weighs you down deeper than you know. Yeah, it weighs you down deeper than you know.
Probably end up seeing some buys for AJ tonight.
Be still, my darling. All is well.
Got open and 11. Kind of dicking around.
Oh, it weighs you down deeper than you know. Yeah, it weighs you down deeper than you know. Oh, darling, don't be scared of time
Excuse me.
changing us both. That will leave our bodies, but it'll never touch.
What do I think about GU? I don't know. What up, C? Happy New Year. Happy New Year. I don't know why I did that to you. What did you say? Oh. You were in all caps. Yeah. See what happens. Yeah, it blocks the, if you do all caps, it'll block it. Yeah. Yeah, no, it's all good. No worries. What up, Salim? I'm good. Pretty good. See if we can catch anything after open. What up, Mohammed? First time here? Welcome. Welcome. Busy volume coming in about 8 minutes. Further downside for GJ? Yeah, there was some good yen news yesterday. And I was just informed that the pound, the UK is in another lockdown. So we could see some weakness from them, and with the good news from the yen yesterday, could see some more downside. Are we going to see it in this session right now? I don't know. Maybe. we got this kind of cluster F sort of area right here. It's kind of a you know what show all the way across the board, so pretty heavy support. Look at the daily, and daily as well. There's just a lot of stuff here. Go a little lower and put that about there. I like that. 4 hour. Yeah, I like that. But these extra kind of areas are more just like a added information of that it is a pretty solid level. But for me, just this here is enough to tell me that there's gonna be a good chance there's an issue in this area. So we'll see how we move. If we can get some clean printing candles, should be okay. Looks like hourly's got some clean room to go up a little bit. Maybe get back up. Get this wick fill here. And then where was it? Probably see a push back to like this area here. Kind of retest this area we broke out of. And then if we get another resistance, we come down. Excuse me. Or if this resistance holds and is strong enough and we push down, we could see that too. But right now we're going sideways, so I think we see if we can push up or down first and then go from there. You guys are knocked on again? Yeah, that sucks. What up, tags? What's up, Mom? Hello. Up, Ross, Tony. Hello. I think we're gonna be good. COVID's hopefully gonna be kind of dwindling out and not messing with Asian session anymore. Because right before COVID, we had so much volume. Asian session was pretty hot. We had like 50, 60 pips of movement consistently, like 4 days a week. And then COVID came and we just got like 10 to 20 pips. So, and we had the holidays and then we had the election. So I think that most of that garbage is over with. We're gonna see hopefully a better Asian session this year. Might take another few weeks with the new year, but I think overall we're gonna see a much better Asian session in terms of some volume. Do I recommend moving averages? I mean, I like it. I would say test it out, try it, see if you like it. I did a lot of back testing with it to see if I liked it. And basically I was just trying to back test to prove that it didn't work. And that failed. So that tells me it's a pretty solid strategy. The fact that I tested it to the point of wanting it to lose, and it didn't. So I'm really comfortable with it. But if you like it, use it. If you don't. I mean, I did about 500 total trades with it on the same time frame, same EMA, same pair, same trading time. And the results just kept coming back the same. The lower end, it was about 68 to 74, 75% win rate on the low end. The high end was like 75-ish to like 83, 84-ish. So it was pretty good. Has it improved my win rate? Before the start of this week, I was 5-0 with it. But I've only been using it for about 2 weeks, trading with it now. I just finished like testing it. So, so far so good. I would assume it's going to improve it. That was the point of adding it. Yep. Yeah, I tested the. What was it? It was the 7, the 10, the 15, the 21, 30, 50, 100, and 200, and then I had a few variations where there were 2 and 3 on at a time, and when I had 2 and 3 on at a time, I was just like, what the hell am I looking at? It was too much, so having one on works for me. It just kind of keeps me selling high in the downtrend and buying low in an uptrend. That's what I really like about it, is that's always really consistent. AU respecting 4-hour trend line. Yep, we'll pull that up for you, Ramadan. Get that up. Yep, yeah, I see I missed it the first time. But yeah, I'll let you guys know in a few weeks how the EMA is doing. All that kind of stuff. Like I said, I tested it to the point of wanting it to lose, that I tested it so aggressively, and it just wouldn't. So, I would expect to at least make some money, you know? I actually learned that from that book, Andy, Jamie.
Awesome.
That, the Market Wizards, that a lot of people test their strategy, and they just, like, lightly test it so that they make it win, so they can, like, feel good about it. He said you gotta test it to, like, you wanna prove it wrong, and if you can't, it's probably gonna be pretty sufficient. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try that.
Yeah,
it's interesting. The old guys know a thing or two. Oof, that's a good buy. There's no analysis here, but should you re-enter half risk here? That's totally up to you. Totally up to you. I wouldn't ask people. I appreciate you sending a chart, but I wouldn't.
Damn, that's a good entry.
Oh yeah, it was a good entry, but I wouldn't.
1891. God dang.
1883. Oh no, that's stop loss here. 91 here. Yeah. I wouldn't ask anyone that. If you want to take another entry here, take another entry here. If you don't, then don't. But definitely don't ask people about that stuff, because clearly you getting in here, you knew what you wanted to see. So if you see what you want to see here, do it again, or don't. You know. But I wouldn't ask people stuff like that, just because if you want to trust your own opinion and have your own like trading confidence in what you're gonna do. You don't want to rely on somebody else's opinion. But good trade, and yeah, if you like it, do it. If not, don't. Filling contest prep? No. When all the gyms closed, yeah, no. Everything took a little break. Finally back in it today though, so I'm hoping things are gonna get pretty serious again here in the next few weeks. I feel like I missed some charts.
Are you planning to compete again?
What?
Are you planning to compete again?
Not right away. The plan right now is just to get big again.
Okay.
That's the plan, and then once that happens, then we'll look into that. But Tim said, Tim was like, let's just not talk about it, not think about it. Let's just eat, train, get big, and then we'll discuss it. I was like, okay.
That works.
Yeah, it works. Yeah, Ramana, if you want to send your analysis, you totally can. Go ahead. We'll pull it up and we'll go through it. How does one learn Forex trading? Well, you can buy a course. There's, I don't even know, we probably got like 10 or 12 free live streams out there now. Plenty of great traders that all trade differently that you can learn from. So, got free ways, paid ways, name it. It's out there. And if you're in Slack, I didn't send the Zoom because I think my phone logged me out. So I have to get that sorted, and I don't remember my login. So if you're in Slack, I will have it sorted and have the Zoom link sent to you guys tomorrow. Yeah, I went on to Slack and it was just gone. And I was like, oh, did I get, like, what happened? I like messaged Raquel and my phone must have just logged me out. So. And then I think we're gonna have Stefanos come on Wednesday or Thursday. I don't know what day he's available. But yeah, we'll get Stefanos on here. Chit chat. Probably see if Harrison wants to come on again. And then we got I'm hoping next week or the week after, we're gonna get my 2 buddies to come on. Very successful people. So it'll be more of a mindset, mental health kind of chit chat. Kind of an ugly chart. Hey, you know, if you're okay with the ugly chart, that's okay. We won't judge it too hard. I mean, I won't. I don't know about everyone else, but I think it'll be okay. If this candle here closes bearish and engulfs this, I'm probably going to take a sell and put my stop up there. Kind of what I'm thinking. We'll see how it closes. 4 hour looking like. Yeah, that would be... We'll see. This mic's gonna get annoying. Oh, that's not ugly. I don't know if you drew this by hand, but that is very, very smooth. Uptrend, yeah. Higher lows, yes. That's some spot. That's a really good entry right there. Looks like you didn't even sit in drawdown once you entered. Very nice. Beautiful. What program site for journaling trades? Trello. Trello. Free. That's just where I store it. I do all the journaling on here. So Trading View is where I do all the marking up. And then I just store it all on Trello. Yep. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, still a really nice trade. Looks like really nasty risk to reward, so that's good. Oh, I forgot to turn the poll on. Excuse me.
All right, listen. You got to get the island side of me now. Somewhere in this poll, you have to add GU. You can't keep just doing AJ and GJ. You're hurting my feelings, man.
Hey, I've added GU. It's not my fault the public isn't on board.
You know, seriously, YouTube public, get in gear.
Right, GU's on there. You got AJ, GJ.
Thank you.
What up, Tap? How's it going? Pop up. There we go. Perfect. Good to know everything still works. Was there news? I don't remember if there was any news. I think there might have been a little something. AUD 630. Huh. Oh, I pulled up the same thing twice, I guess. COVID restrictions. Uh-oh. What is this?
Yeah, he put the UK back in lockdown again.
Wow.
That's about it. He locked it back down again.
The poor UK, man. Oh my god. We'll see you guys in 2022, alright?
Are they trying to compete with California or what? Come on.
I don't know, man. They need to stop with all that kind of stuff. Just let the world go back to normal. Let people open their businesses and, you know, feed their families and stuff. Stop taking that away. Yeah, if this pushes up though, and we don't get that bearish close, I think we're gonna get a nice trade off of this area when we return to it after we leave it. So we'll kind of be going like this. You guys thought I wasn't gonna do the arrows in 2021. That's funny. Yep. So something like that. And then we
I like
got
the way that hourly was setting up.
nice traffic to play with. You liked the way the hourly setting up?
Yeah, when I first jumped on with you.
If it closes above here, that could be solid.
So you got lower highs 3 hours in a row.
Yep. Only thing is that's a breakout for me. I don't like
Yeah.
breakouts. So for me, if
Yeah,
I were to take it, which I'm not, so don't take a trade, I'd have to do this
Yeah, I understand.
because I don't like doing it like this. I want it
Yeah.
under the support. So I mean, it's still got some clean traffic, but yeah, I only use the 15. Let me turn the mic up a little bit.
Yo, guys.
Yo, what up, John?
What up?
How's it going?
Yeah. Now that I'm home.
Nice. Welcome home. What up, Yusuki? New to the stream from the UK. Consistent lot sizes? Nope. It's all risk based. So, if I have a 10 pip stop loss, or a 20 pip stop loss, or a 100 pip stop loss, or a 2 pip stop loss, and my stop loss gets hit, I'm losing the same amount in every single one of those trades. So, what up, Tap? Welcome. So yeah, no set lot size, the magic keys. This fancy, snazzy little tool does everything. You can set, I think you can set like a set amount, like if you want to risk like $100 or $1,000 or whatever, you can do that too, but I just like 1%, 1.5%, that's it. Nigeria, oof. Little ways away.
Hey Andy,
What's
Polly,
up?
there. What's up, guys?
So Leon,
Tapping in.
What's going on, Leon?
It's been a couple weeks. How's everybody doing? Everybody living their day like it's their birthday?
yes sir.
Doing good.
All right.
Yeah, they keep trying to arrest me for, dancing around in my birthday suit, though.
Oh man, there might be a reason to that.
I bet your wife is loving it.
She's trying to make money off of me. What, you kidding me?
She's gonna start OnlyFans.
People keep throwing change at me.
Yeah. If this thing can move in that range, I think we'll see a nice trade. Question is, how long do we gotta wait for it?
Be still, my darling. All is well, my darling. Your anxious heart may as well be stone. Oh, it weighs you down deeper.
What up, Sam? How's it going?
Yeah, it weighs you down deeper than you know.
I wonder if it's kind of waiting for the news. I know it's just a yellow folder, but I wonder if it's waiting to go somewhere and kind of pick its direction until that comes out. If only Sharma was here.
UJ looks kind of weird right now.
BJ does?
Yeah, it's kind of funky.
Yeah.
Hopefully, hopefully that goes down.
On UJ?
Yeah. Because that goes on, then the EU will go up.
Yeah, because you're an EU buyers, huh?
Yeah. I just don't see I just don't see it going up because the way it closed like super low compared to the previous high. And plus, it's having like trouble getting past this line.
EU or UJ is?
I'm talking about this pyramid right here, UJ. But if you go to EU, I feel like it might go up because of all the long wicks that I'm seeing. But we'll see.
Yeah, we could be coming back to fill this price range here. So then it'll come down and EU should go up.
Yep.
Right, that's what you wanted to go up, right?
Yep.
EJ looks like it's trying to go up, so.
And plus, like, I also take looks at EJ. I mean at EG, and the euro seems to be pretty strong compared to the pound. So I feel like that might push the EU up. Yeah, I can't talk today. I'm like super stuffy.
You getting sick?
I actually caught COVID like last week.
Oh. You better now?
Yeah, but I still can't taste stuff.
Oh, you lost your taste and whatnot?
Yeah.
Well, that's gotta make eating
Pretty
easier,
weird.
right?
Kind of. It's pretty. I find it pretty whack. It's like, oh man, you can't taste anything.
Yeah, that would suck.
No, I can't like burgers taste like nothing. Pizza tastes like nothing. Like ground turkey tastes like nothing.
Damn. You're trying to just like eat an onion?
I could test it out.
I was gonna say, try some garlic or something, because brother, if you can't taste that, you know it's rough.
Yeah.
Might be a great time to enter a hot pepper eating contest.
Yeah.
Right. I mean, like you can still like feel like that burning sensation, but you just can't taste it. it still burns.
Hot on the way in, hot on the way out.
Yeah.
Andy, why are you trying to kill the brother? We're not trying to do that.
Not today. You're getting lots of votes on GU tonight, it looks like.
It's the island accent.
Uh-oh,
You know?
here comes the I told you so.
When you tell people let's go, getting gay, it has a tendency to ring in their head for a while. So keep going.
Interesting. Is this quality all the way up? Oh no, okay, here's 1080. Oh, that's a little better. Someone who swing trades? Swing trades.
Sharma, maybe?
Yeah, I was gonna say Sharma. She'll probably be what's up with us tomorrow. Is the simulation on a live stream on Friday? Yes. Every Friday we do a community simulation at 6 p.m. Central. And it lasts as, if it's a really good sim and we got a lot of good interaction, I mean, we could go for 2 hours. If it's not going good, it's kind of whatever month or week I pick is just rangy, then maybe we end short. So, but it starts at 6. Yeah, every Friday, 6 Central. Yeah, Monday through Thursday, Asian session. We need to clear this area here. And then I think we'll start. We'll have a nice move up. Excuse me.
Can somebody in the UK please tell the PMs to stop screwing with the pound so that we can make some money on GJ and GU?
Well, as Andy says, somebody's making money.
Seems like a fair request, though.
You know?
I think so. I think that is a fair request.
It yet for over 50 years. Thanks for letting me lay by your side and all those kisses every night. Wow, when you're away, do I miss you? Is it just because I can't kiss you? Is it dishes in the sink or the lack of a wink? Or just because I love my life with you? We started ourselves a family. The boys, they came 1, 2, 3, and now they have little ones of their
You going to the gym tonight, her, or no?
Half of them are halfway grown.
No, I haven't taken quarantine till like tomorrow or Wednesday or something.
Oh.
Yeah, supposedly. But yeah, but I think I might be able to go tomorrow, so I might just go. I've been off for like about a week and a half now. I feel weak.
Probably super small.
Right? I feel flat, like the smallest like.
Don't get on the bench if I were you. We'd hate to see you pinned at 135.
Right? Still finished third. Like I've had like about like 3 I've had the bar drop on me 3 times in my life.
3
so
times?
Yeah. 2 of them I needed somebody to come help me. And one of them, the bar just straight dropped in my chest, and that was pretty painful.
Jeez.
What were you lifting, bro? 350, 375? Where were you?
I was pretty young, so I was probably like still like 20 or something,
Yeah.
or like 21 before I actually started bodybuilding, and I was like just training by myself. I think I was going like 225 or like 240 or something,
Hmm.
but I just couldn't lift it up. But luckily, there were like people nearby that can help me.
Listen, I was in a gym. We shall not call names because we don't want to advertise for them. But I was in the gym with my buddy about 2 years ago, and he was on the bench as well. And I had just gotten up. We were doing 275, and we were doing our pyramids on the way up. And he got down on the bench. Gary do 275, and we did the lift off. And we always do a check before I remove my hands. I said, "Okay, you got it?" He said, "I got it." I said, "You got it?" He said, "I got it." Literally, I released my hands, turned my head for 1 second, and boom, 275 on his chest.
Oh man.
Yeah, I had to pick it up off of him.
Did it like just straight drop, or did he like just slowly?
No, it
pick back
straight
up?
dropped. Yeah, he said his left wrist just kind of gave out, and he just couldn't control it, and it just came straight down. Boom.
That
hurts.
That would hurt.
Yeah.
That would hurt so bad.
Yeah. I mean, I picked it up off him, not a problem, but the guys around didn't even offer to help. They were actually laughing.
What?
Yeah.
Oh man.
That's
it's crazy. It's crazy. Like when the ball first drops on you, like you have that rush and you don't really feel it. But like after like 5 minutes, like your body starts to relax, and then all the pain just like comes in. And you're just like, oh man.
Listen, he had to sit down in the chair for 15 minutes. He felt like his lungs collapsed.
Yeah. I can imagine. 275. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy.
I'll be back in a sec. Something like that. Oh, man. Oh, come on, Izzy. Don't be a you-know-what.
Oh, come on. Breakthrough.
9 more videos. 9 more.
Which one? The intermediate?
Intermediate, advanced. Yep. I did all the whiteboard stuff yesterday.
Okay.
So, I've literally put 20 hours of work already into this week, and it's not even the end of Monday.
Wow.
Yeah, but it doesn't feel like it. It felt like I was just hanging out in my office, to be honest. But last night from like, what was it? Like 10 p.m. till London session at 1 a.m. I was doing the whiteboard videos. They're super awesome. And then it took my phone like an hour to transfer it from my phone to my computer. It was a nightmare.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
In between, like, sessions of work and, execution and getting things done, what do you tell yourself if you ever have a moment, which I know you do, everybody does, when you have that moment of, like, whether it's working out or whatever, that little voice is like, oh, just sit down and relax. It's too cold to go outside and run. Or a show's coming on. I don't know if I'm going to work on the website tonight or do the stream. What do you tell yourself?
To like keep going?
Yeah.
Well, see, with that specific scenario, I didn't have to because I wanted to do it.
Mm-hmm.
But like doing the dishes or cleaning the apartment, I'm just like, just get it over with. You'll feel better when you do, and I'll put a book on and listen to it while I'm doing it, and that tends to help.
Yeah, and that's called discipline, correct?
Yeah.
Yep.
I really struggled when I came late. Told you I was going to come back to the 4th. I was a little late because I had to do my bike ride. I know you're all going to call me a wuss, but in Florida, if it gets down to 55 degrees, it's cold down here. And a big part of me is it's a little windy over here on the Gulf.
Mm-hmm.
Want to do it. And I just kept on fighting the boys. Don't be a little BITC, you know what I mean?
Yep.
How long was the ride?
That was short because it's too cold out, man. So I do my small routes, 8 miles.
That's still good, brother.
Better than nothing.
Oh, yeah, I gotta... From Thanksgiving up until 2 days ago, oh, Lord, I probably gained like 15 pounds, man. I'm so far out of shape. I haven't really been exercising the last few weeks.
You'll get it back.
Yeah.
You'll get it back.
Yeah, seriously. Listen, my wife and I just signed up for one of the purple and green gyms, which shall remain nameless, yesterday, Saturday, because we got tired of being stuck in the house, not being able to, exercise and stuff either. I love my weights, just like Chris at KVA. I do a lot of, I heavy lift. I'm not a bodybuilder, but I like strength, so I do strength and powerlifting. And I just, I always love it. I miss it. My arms feel weak, my shoulders feel small. I'm like, oh, this just feels horrible.
Get those push-ups in the morning. 150 in the morning, noon, and then later in the afternoon.
Yeah, you'd be pretty jacked after that.
Not if you do them every day.
Did you say and then have a heart attack after that?
No, it's 150 in the morning. After 25 to 50 of them, you take a 15-minute break and then go back and hit the rest of them. You do it long enough, you're conditioned for it.
Yeah.
Just like if you do, like he's running in the morning, for example, he does 1 mile. Then the next 2 days, he goes 2-3 miles. And before you know it, after a month, it takes a while. After a month, you're up to 10 miles. And then after that, you're up to 15 miles. And then 20 miles is a normal run for military guys every single morning. So once you're conditioned for that, it stays that way. People think it's a lot, but it's endurance. Conditioning. Same thing with trading. So, Mr. Barry, no more powerlifting for you, huh?
Well, I got to get back in the gym to do it now. And when Corona hit, or COVID, whatever you want to call it these days, it kind
You
of
call
taught
it
me-
Corona?
Yeah, it's actually called a coronavirus.
Oh, I would. Yeah.
Not the Valiant. The Valiant is Valiant. The Corona is Corona. Corona 19 or whatever it is. COVID 19.
Yeah. Yep.
That's,
I was thinking like a Corona, like the beer.
No.
I thought you were making a joke.
No. Actually, you know what's funny is when it first kicked off, Corona pulled a lot of their ads off of the TV because of the name association. They're trying to avoid that negative publicity. It's like, oh, coronavirus, huh? We won't be drinking that this year.
Yeah, there was a bunch of memes where it was like there's two types of people, and it was one guy with like a 24-pack of Corona on his shoulder, and the other person had like a bunch of masks and toilet paper in their cart. It was funny. True though. Some people.
I thought they were changing the name. Taking Corona and changing it to something else.
I don't know. I feel like they've been around too long to do that.
I think so.
It's just something I've seen on the news sometime this year or last year.
Yeah, I don't know. I heard something a while back that McDonald's, they were, like jerk chicken, like the seasoning, the spiked, like the Jamaican kind of chicken.
Yep.
They have a jerk burger, but apparently they have to change the name because it's hurtful to people.
Why they have jerk chicken in Jamaican? It's great.
Yeah,
What's
but
wrong with that?
McDonald's has a jerk burger or whatever.
What is
But
going on?
They had to change the name
Oh
because
my God, are you serious?
people's feelings.
What happened? What happened? Jerks got mad?
I don't
Yeah,
know.
really.
I don't know, but apparently it was offensive and not nice, and they needed to change it from jerk. Yeah.
You know,
Oh man.
I don't even know what to make of that at this point.
Yeah, either do I. I don't know.
I'll tell you, my Jamaican friends wouldn't care a rip about it being called the jerk chicken. That's what it's called.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. That's
Yeah,
true.
it's. But jerk is offensive, so.
Well, no, it all depends on how you use it.
I mean, I guess a bunch of snowflakes, they just got together, they had a meeting, a board meeting,
Yeah.
and they talked it out, nicely, of course, because they couldn't be mean.
Yeah.
And that was the conclusion. Was let's make McDonald's change the name of their burger. Like, it's McDonald's.
Did they have tea and crumpets afterwards?
I mean, as long as they didn't find it offensive, they might have. Yeah, when I heard that, I thought it was a joke. I didn't know that was real.
McDonald's in Russia doesn't have ketchup.
They don't have ketchup?
Nope.
Nah, no, in Thailand either. They have.
Yeah.
No,
Is
they
it-
don't
is
have
it-
it in Thailand either.
Is it like a weird orange sauce in Thailand?
Yeah, it's a combination of I don't know. There's like a mayonnaise type, but it's
Yeah.
it's not. There's no ketchup and there's no tomatoes or nothing.
Yeah, in Russia it's this weird orange sauce. I don't even know what to compare it to.
That's weird.
Chechnya, I've been to. So yeah.
That's near the area I went to. It was
Yeah.
Krasnodar,
I've been to
Novorossiysk. Yeah, it was just to the west of that on the Black Sea.
Yeah, you ever been to Hezbollah?
No.
Hell on earth, believe me. That's some other stuff.
My first time in that part though, I didn't know. My first time I went, I didn't know any Russian at all. And this like gnarly Armenian taxi driver, like all I had was the name of the city written on a piece of paper. And I thought this was it. I'm getting in this dude's car. It's a 2-hour taxi drive through the country to get to the city I was supposed to go to. I thought it was over with. The whole entire time he's speaking Russian to me, and I'm like, dude, I don't know what you're saying. He just kept going. I'm like, yeah, this is it. It's over with. But we ended up arriving.
Wow. Yeah, when you start hearing the Russians start Nostrovia, that means salute.
Your
Let's
health.
go, let's drink.
Yeah, it's to your health.
Yeah, to your health. Get the
Yeah.
Russian vodka out.
It's-
Let's go.
Then like in Ukrainian or like Czech, it's Nastarovy. Different
Yeah.
variations.
So you know a little bit of Russian, huh?
Я говорю по-русски. Now I can speak it like intermediate.
All right.
Well then.
Got some talent on this stream.
Yep.
No, I failed fingerpainting. Now
Yeah,
I'm trying to trade Forex.
Basically the same thing.
Paul, you gonna start promoting your course to the people on the stream?
Oh no, if people ask.
People ask.
have
I
to
mean,
do it,
that your course is so laid out, so good. I've gone 100% on the first part of it, and it's better than I've ever seen. And I've done this for a while. It's really good.
Appreciate it. I don't like to self-promote on here too much.
Well, maybe you won't, but I could.
You speak your mind. I'll just be here.
I'm looking for something and I can't.
I know you've been asked this a million times, but I haven't been in here for a couple of weeks, but I'm reading in the Discord the announcement. Go to teachable.com, create the account, send you the link to it, or send you the full name and email, and that will complete the activation of it.
Yep, then I invite you.
All right.
And when you go through it, you're gonna say, "Wow, anybody can learn that. This is really good. This is easy," because everybody else makes it complicated.
Wait till you see the second part.
Wow, I'm still waiting. You said Monday. Today's Monday, right?
I'm working on it. Okay, the whiteboard one took a lot longer than I expected. I calculated about an hour for all 3 videos in terms of making it and then getting it on my computer and uploading it. Took about 3 to make it and get it on my computer. So,
wow,
it'll be up and available. Either right
Take your time.
right
Take
before
your time,
London, or right after London.
Running on island time, eh? I'm gonna change your name to Paul Virgin Islander.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a little behind. I just wanted to put extra effort into it, you know. I could have half-assed it and finished it, but
No, don't do that.
yeah,
No, don't do that.
I didn't want to.
Don't half-ass it.
I
Full ass it.
figured the general, it'd be better to have it come out a day later and be better than have it come out sooner and not be as good.
Exactly.
So-
Don't rush it. Take your time with it. I was only kidding with you.
Oh, I know.
We'll give you a pass for that one.
Appreciate it. Thanks,
Bear,
guys.
did you?
You guys are so sweet.
Bear, did you even do the first part?
Oh yeah, twice.
Twice. Are you kidding me? You got 2 jobs and a whole house full of kids and 3 wives, and how would you have time to do that?
That's my lullaby music. I just put that on.
Yeah.
Like we're gonna try and move up. We just need to get out of this shit show here. I mean, yeah.
Where's the
That's
the
me.
volume? Volume comes in.
Should have came in 40 minutes ago, but
Yeah.
man,
I saw a lot of volume earlier.
this is normally the session it gets the volume in. Like this here,
Yeah, that
this
was
is very
5 o'clock.
That's very rare. That's normally the dead time. London, it has a little volume, but it ranges. Oh yeah,
I don't normally see that during the day, during the evening.
oh, you meant after the holidays, Claudio? Yeah. I started yesterday on Sunday.
One thing I've definitely gleaned a lot from the last couple months of trading paper and flying, you sweating patience, because like I also swing trade stocks, and I blew up 2 accounts doing that. I'm back in that, and I went from blowing up everything that I would do. I'll send you a screenshot later, but from learning the rules of patience and waiting for the trade to appear, and from the actually doing the technical analysis beyond the DD of the security, that account, I've taken that account up to about 56% last couple weeks off of a
Nice.
couple. But between swing trading and just coming to the chart and just waiting,
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like it's
You get real
even
good at
like-
waiting.
Yeah, even though I'm still really just trading on paper right now on Forex, because this is it makes I think learning Forex in the structure makes you it makes you a savage. Just in general, understand that how price movement works. Like, it doesn't matter if we're trading corn, coins, silver, stocks. All of these things have the same thing in common: price movement, and they're either going to go up or down. And it doesn't matter what you're trading. You understand that structure. It's just so interesting. It doesn't matter what it is, whether it's corn, soy, GJ, AJ. It's interesting how it's the same thing that you teach can be applied to all of it, and it works.
It does. You're correct.
Preach.
Well, you got your trading, you got your fundamentals, you got analysis, you got trading psychology, money management, your main core concepts. That's some of the stuff that Paul got into the beginning of. But
Oh,
I'm
no
sure
no fundamentals for me.
No, I know you didn't get into fundamentals, but that's some of the stuff that you're like your basics, what you need to know. This is where you need to start. So I mean, start getting into the rest of it. Everything comes together like a puzzle, and I see where you're going with it. And it's like I said, it's good.
Yeah.
And adding positions, that's something
And then
that I was horrible at, man. Here, I'll put it in the Discord. I'll take a screenshot real quick, and you see that as I was adding positions and adding on to it, because I was really bad at knowing when to. I would buy in at the top every time, and then it would correct. You know what I mean? Like because I didn't have that patience.
Yep. You buy high, sell low.
Yeah, I would buy high and get stopped out. That's actually what happened.
And then you probably ended up being right most of the time. Excuse me. Damn. This is not how I wanted to start the new year with Asian. It goes sideways on the first stream? What is this?
Beginning of the year.
Wow. What can we do while we wait?
Talk about how price of gold moved this morning to pre New York, and then once it hit 8 o'clock, it took off, pulled back for a little bit. As soon as 9:30, New York Stock Exchange opened, and a huge boost of volume came in and pushed it up.
Look at these money entries though on gold. Oof.
Yeah, I know.
Got one here. Maybe you take. I don't know if I would have taken that one. Maybe. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Anything down here? No, nothing down there for me.
It.
Here. Oh my god. Whew. This one wouldn't have even hit 1-to-1 though, and then I would have stopped you out. Oh well. That's midday, or is that Asian? It worked kind of good on gold. Thank you, Jordan. Appreciate it. Yeah. I haven't looked at gold in a minute. As you can see, 1866 was the last time I was on it, which would have been looking over probably here, so a few weeks. Let's look at GJ. Love Javad. Appreciate it. Glad to be back. I think it's going to be a fun year. Hopefully we don't have any more surprises this year. Let's see what GJ did this morning. Obviously came down, but figure out why. Still think we're bullish. I think we're going to go. I think we're going bullish from this area here. That would be what I anticipate. Yeah, here we can tighten this up here on the 4 hour now. I believe we are going to tap into this rejection area down here, which we kind of already did. Might tap into it again. And then we're going to go back to our daily high. Or just the high, because I mean daily high is 4-hour high is all the same stuff.
I did that yesterday, last night.
Yep, I'd expect that to, as long as we don't get under here, I believe we're going back up here. 1 hour, yeah, like this. This level is solid. We'll see, but I think up is where we're gonna start heading. Hopefully AJ can follow suit.
What do we have for news tonight? Nothing?
It's gone now. We have nothing now.
Nothing?
Nothing now. Javad, no, not anymore. He does his own thing, I think. Be back again. Drinking way too much water.
And now it rides.
Let's go EU. What's up?
Paper. I'm gonna do one on paper here. Let's see if it's since it's kind of breaking out over that.
It looks like price is finally moving.
She goes. It's funny enough how gold moves exactly the same way. No, not tonight.
I mean, doesn't like AJ or AU kind of move in the same direction as gold?
What's that? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Doesn't like AU or AJ move in the same direction as gold?
Usually AJ, EJ, sometimes GJ, and gold, they all move the same direction. And tonight they are not. They're totally opposite. One's going up and one's coming down. Gold's coming down.
Interesting.
And EJ is moving upward. It takes a little bit after the beginning of the year the market to straighten themselves out.
Yeah, does it?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Usually in the beginning of the year, it's all kind of discombobulated until everything starts to flow back normal again.
Makes sense.
A lot of traders trade like, I don't know, a week later.
You know, a lot of people come back next week. Like we're finally moving up though.
Yeah, there we go.
Everyone calls them zombie. 'Cause he need a little time.
Better late than never, right?
Yeah, as long as we get some movement there, now we'll get finally got a high created, so hopefully we can get a support, a pullback and a support. So you could have got it here, but I don't like breakout trades. So, and plus it was still going sideways, and then I wanted to clear this area. Now we have get a pullback support. Should be good.
We got 6 minutes. Hopefully it closes. Look to the left. That candle there, that resistant candle coming down, bearish candle. It closes above that. We're good.
Right here.
Yes.
Yep. Hourly looks good. See what happens in the last 5 minutes. Probably got to gather itself after that kind of move like that.
What time was that? It was what, at 5 o'clock?
8, 9, 10 a.m.
Oh, it was in the morning.
Yeah. Oh man.
Played a waiting game where I waste my time.
Last 5 minutes will do it to you.
Yeah. So no calisthenics in the morning there, Paul?
No. Stretching. I stretch.
You gotta get some, man.
No, my workouts are more than enough. I'd never recover if I did both.
No cardio?
I do cardio.
Yeah. Nothing else though. No pull-ups.
Oh yeah, I do that during the workout though. Yeah. Diet, training, stretching, working.
Yeah. Those are, especially diet. The diet is the most important part, and the stretching.
Yeah, we started our 75 hard today. I don't think anyone else did it with us, but it's just me and Sammy.
What is it?
75 hard.
I didn't even see it. Like I said, I've been gone for 2
It's
weeks.
got. I made a whole channel about it in Discord.
Well, I have to go.
Yeah,
Look.
I thought I tagged everyone.
You
I did that.
probably did.
I did the at everyone. But yeah,
Where is it?
Sammy's doing it with
there
me.
it is.
Yep, I put it in there about a week ago.
What is it, chess?
No, it's basically you stay disciplined for 75 days. No cheat days or excuses or anything.
Look at this. No cheats, no excuses.
I thought it'd be a fun community thing, and then it was just me and Sammy. So it'll be a fun thing for me and Sammy.
And when everybody comes back from vacation, I mean, I didn't know about it.
Yeah.
Let me just check this out.
Start whenever you want, but Andy Frisella created it a while ago. Might have been a few years ago, actually. But yeah, basically for first form, it's basically you train and follow your diet perfectly for 75 days. And it's like a life-changing experience, obviously.
Oh, healthy eating and plan to work out minimum of 3 times per week. Yeah, some people won't be able to do that though. They can eat good, but working out if the gyms are all closed.
Do something at home.
Only thing I got is pull-ups, sit-ups, push-ups.
What are Jason? Top main pairs at this time? My favorite's AJ. AJ, AU are really, really good. And they're consistent. Then Gold, and then probably GJ. and then the rest of them after.
You put GJ last, man.
Just with how it recently moves in Asian, it's not up there anymore.
I know, but you hurt my feelings.
I thought you tried GU anyway.
GJ and GU, those are my two currencies.
Mm. Hey man, what is this thing doing? Yep, no worries, Jason. You're welcome. A 30-minute looking like.
I don't know, but GJ is doing the same thing. I mean, it just looks like pure crap.
Pure doo-doo. Yeah, Jamie, I thought you were doing that. And Jay, I thought you guys were doing the 75 hard with us.
I actually started today, then I failed on my first day, so I'm starting over again.
No, we'll do it. No, we'll do it, Paul. I'll do it. The only thing anybody be cheating themselves.
So, as if I'm not reading 10 pages, you can forget it.
10 pages of what?
Book, the 10 pages in the book. If that thing says to read at least 10 pages a night or something like that.
What?
What?
I didn't write that. I didn't write that.
No, what are you talking about, Bear? It's about exercises.
No, there's a mental aspect of it as well.
Yeah.
Well,
yeah.
Gotta have that.
Well, listen, you can listen to an audiobook too.
That's what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm not reading. Yeah. I'll listen to the audiobook. I'm good.
Yeah, yeah.
I got a ton of audiobooks. You want some?
This thing is
trading, psychology, market analysis, all kinds of stuff. I could share it with the stream if you want, or with you got whatever you want. I got a ton of them.
Send me the names in Discord. I'm building my audio library right now.
You can post it in the book section.
You got a book section now?
Yep, I had one. Sure. You're behind.
Yes, I am. What the hell?
Man. You can't trade this garbage.
There's no book section.
Just got an alert that Italy just widened its coronavirus restrictions until towards the end of January now.
You think that's bad? Philippines just shut down everything from in and out, especially from the U.S.
There's a shocker.
You know what's really a shocker? That this second thing that's going around right now, it's in 42 countries in less than 18 days. That's what's a shocker.
It is. It's actually very disturbing.
And it's right here now. It's right here in Bogota, Colombia.
Oh.
Yeah.
I think they found it in California over the weekend, right, Andy?
No, it was California, Colorado, and Florida.
Yeah,
now it's in New York. Now it's in New York and Wisconsin.
Yeah, we got it. San Diego got it.
What is it? Is it that new strand or whatever?
Yeah, mutation of the current one. They say that it has a higher mortality rate.
It's 70. They said 50 to 70% more rapid than COVID, and the vaccine doesn't work against it. And where it originated from was from, I guess, minks. I guess there was minks someplace or wherever it was, and then it spiraled out of control after that. They kept that hush hush, I guess.
Interesting.
Yeah. Tell me about it. That stuff is not to be played with. So we're expected to be locked down. Me locked down here again.
Oh, in Colombia they're doing a lockdown too?
Yeah, they're doing a lockdown for 3 months again. Last time we were locked down for 4.5 months.
And did it do anything? Probably not.
No, South America is pretty bad everywhere. It's locked down. Everybody has got it. The hospitals are full. It's no different than the U.S. It's bad. Throughout the world, it's bad. It doesn't matter where it is.
Yep.
Well, who said? Jay said he had it. Somebody said he had it. Who
Or,
had it?
or has it. Or had it.
He's lucky.
Yeah.
It could be a lot worse. I've seen worse.
I don't know, I just can't wait till the COVID talk is no longer talk. It's just
done.
We talk about other things. That would be so annoying because everyone's got different opinions, and that's fine. But like, let's talk about something else. You know? Like,
yeah. I agree.
Yeah, it's starting to get annoying. Because that's all anyone talks about really is COVID this, COVID that. Fuck COVID, I hate COVID, it's so dumb, it's fake, or oh my god, COVID's killing everyone. Like, everything is COVID related. Like, can we move on?
Yeah, I agree.
No? Like, let's talk about something that's gonna help us get through the crappy times, or just anything else in general. Maybe something happy. Like all this talk, it's just, I don't even want to comment on anything anymore. I just nod and yep. You know.
I totally agree.
So,
yeah, I think part of the problem is because you have, you know, the media, and yeah, I'm not against them one way or another, but because they sensationalize a lot of it, it's become the, you know, sticking point with everyone, and then they politicize it, and it's just, you know, it just snowballs. So I'm with you there, brother. Listen, like I said, I've had family members that have had it and whatnot, but you know, we're kind of ready for the conversation itself to just go away. We don't mind it being in the scientific side, where they're researching and trying to find how to stop it, but it needs to stop becoming this point of contention between everybody. Because, like I said, you have the COVID, you have the anti-COVID, you have the maskers, the anti-maskers. It's, you know, it's just really tight and wearing everybody down.
It's just another way of division, pretty much.
Mental stress.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for the sub, Simon. Appreciate it. But yeah.
You said you had a book section on the Discord, right?
Yep, it should be literature.
Where is it?
Should be the literature section.
I see announcements, general, New York, London, Asian.
Self-development literature, there it is.
Oh. Wow, I guess I can't read. I'm sorry.
That's
I'm
right.
illiterate. That's why I couldn't find it. I'm illiterate. I can't.
We'll add a learning to read section as well. What MA? It's the exponential moving average 21, and the setting is on the close. So here.
And then that actually works, by the way.
Give us some volume. Bloody.
Oh, easy. Here it goes, Paul. Relax. She broke that area. Good.
At least move and don't give us a trade, you know? Don't move. Man. Butt's gonna fall asleep.
Yeah, but you got one of those, Paul, you got one of those super chairs my kid has. They're like $1,000 or whatever the hell he wanted me to get for him.
I think mine was only like three or 400.
It was like a chair from a Ferrari on wheels, literally. He's comfortable
Nice.
in it. He sits in it all day playing games, doing all kinds of stuff.
That sounds comfy.
It is.
I still haven't ordered mine. I remember we talked about that like a month ago.
Mm-hmm.
month ago. We spoke about that
Yeah,
too, Leon.
I ended up ordering art for the walls. My walls were looking a little empty.
Yeah, you can't sit on that.
No, I got a nice
You
couch
could.
in the living room, and my desk is next to my couch. So I just plug in a HDMI, put the laptop on my lap, and then the HDMI is on my second screen on the desk next to me. I mean, to be honest, it doesn't look like I'm learning how to trade. It looks like I'm really lounging. So I probably should get it there.
Couch would be really nice.
It is really chill though, man. It's a chill vibe. Not gonna lie.
I like that. This chair's comfy, but
Yeah, after sitting in it for almost 8 hours, yeah, dude, you got to get up.
yeah, stretch. It's like you can't. I can't stretch enough. I can't stay on top of
Yeah.
it.
You sit in that chair long enough and you don't stretch or do it, your back is going to start giving on you. Believe me.
Yeah, I stretch every day, a couple times a day, but it's like I just need my back cracked.
See, that's
Yeah,
my
that-
Achilles heel. I
that
don't
helps.
Stretch.
Yeah, that helps, Bear. A lot.
Really, I don't know. I've never, even when I was lifting, I never stretched. I do like 40 minutes of cardio. I always do cardio before I lift, which people think I'm crazy. Like, why would you do that?
Yeah, you're burning all
Because
your glucose, bro.
But you know what's funny? Is if I don't lift right. So I do 40 minutes of cardio before because my blood warms up,
Yeah,
and I actually get stronger as I lift.
You get
You've
more
got to
blood
get
to
the
your body.
blood to the muscle. You need the blood to the muscle. I needed that. I
Yep.
could not deadlift anything unless I did my cardio before.
Yeah,
And you know what I'm talking about because
Yeah.
you're dead after that.
yeah.
It's not like you're doing reps. You're doing like, you know, 20, 30 reps in 4 sets. You know, you're not doing that.
Yeah. Yep. I mean, I would literally struggle on all of my weights. I'm like, okay, wait a minute, what is going on here?
Did you warm up before you jumped into your working sets?
Yeah, you know, I did like, you know, you do 15 minutes of cardio, then you do a warm-up set and all the rest of that, and I still felt blah. So I always did 45 minutes of cardio before I did my sets.
Yeah, we're not doing sets of 10 and 12. What are you doing, Paul?
That's a 10 to 12.
Yeah, sets of 10 to 12. I'm doing anywhere between 4 and 6. That's it. Put a lot heavier weight. I'm not doing we weren't doing what you were doing. That's why you're incredibly huge.
We're still training heavy, bro.
Are you?
Bodybuilders train heavy. What do you mean?
Yeah, you're pretty good size for sure.
Very heavy.
I'm surprised you're not doing competition.
I was in prep, but then COVID came, and then I stopped training and eating because the gym's closed, and it just, you know,
You don't have anything set up in the house?
not for what I would need. No. Definitely nothing heavy enough for where I was at.
No, most of the stuff you'll need, you got to go to a gym. Yeah, I have a few buddies that try to do it as well. They're like, listen, I have a gym set up in my garage. I'm like, listen, for what we're trying to do, where we're trying to go, the weight we're trying to lift, the movements, you just have to go to the gym, and it's going to cost you thousands to get that equipment, and you need the space. So, you know, unless you're sitting on LeBron James' bank or something like that, you know, or James Harrison.
You can just build a facility in your basement.
Yeah, or The Rock, and he has a huge house, just nothing but gym equipment.
Yeah, The Rock has a pretty good gym.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's like he has like a whole gym set, but it's like mobile. I'm like, dude, how's that even possible?
It's mobile?
Yeah, like whenever he like travels, he brings his whole gym with him. I'm just
Who's
like,
that?
Holy,
The Rock.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I want that kind of money.
Right.
Yeah, but I think
investments.
it definitely is, man. But I think I'm gonna take John's idea, where I'm looking into like a barn dominium when we move to Texas. You know, somewhere where I can just go out and have my shop, to have a gym, whatever. 'Cause we were trying to get more off the grid, so I'd rather have this stuff in the house so I can just walk out to.
Yep. Texas seems like a pretty place to live right now. there's no like state tax there.
It is.
That's
It's,
where
you know,
that's where we're thinking.
Yeah, John can tell you more because he lives there. But you know, I've been out there a few times and I absolutely love the place. Fell in love with it, man. So, you know, I'm ready to go.
And like everyone from California is like moving there. I'm like, wow.
Yeah, that's the problem though.
Yeah.
You don't want anybody introducing any state taxes, so tell them keep those thoughts to themselves.
Right. Yep.
But yeah, I love it out here.
Yep. Well, John, so we're looking at Amarillo, Austin. What was that? Los Alamos? Plano. There you go. Not Los Alamos. Plano, Texas. I'm like, Los Alamos, whatever. But yeah, but we have to take a road trip out this year, and we're going to come and see the 3 areas and then make a final decision.
Yeah. Come check it out. The toughest part is finding land that's far enough out from town that you can shoot guns and stuff like that.
Yeah, so you know, so we have a plan A and plan B. You know, we figure plan A would be to find something like that if we can get it all in one. If not, we're gonna do 2 different places. So we'll do, you know, our primary home, and then we'll find, I guess you can call it hunting. You know, yeah, and then just do the shooting and stuff out there. So we're working with both because I still have to be close enough to work, you know, in IT and travel to the major airports. So
Yeah, you gotta have internet.
yeah,
Yeah, I'm a IT guy too.
yeah.
Yeah.
What do you do, brother?
I'm more towards like the system side of things right now.
Awesome. I'm a network engineer, so
Oh, nice. Yeah, that stuff is still kind of like new to me.
yeah, it's a lot of fun. You know, it's a lot of fun. I haven't felt like I worked a day in my life since I started doing it. So
That's the dream.
Yeah. So that's how Forex takes off, and I can like leave.
now that's the dream.
Yeah.
I have a good feeling about it this year.
Do what?
I have a good feeling that I could take Forex. I could make it go big.
I think so too. Keep getting better every week.
Yep.
Ooh, AJ moved. Look at that.
Yeah, if we can keep moving, we might see something.
Yeah.
And DJ is still arranging.
No.
Dude, it's crazy. GJ is literally stuck under the 21 on the 30-minute chart, man. It's
Yeah, you're right. It's not moving.
it's just,
It stopped dead.
you know, it's like, what happened? Somebody dropped a tree in the road and it doesn't know how to get around it.
They locked England down and they locked Japan down too. So
Yeah.
they're all locked in the house.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's not moving at all.
That would be a buy confirm for me right here.
Yeah, I'm up 10 pips right now.
In GJ buys?
For EU buys.
Oh, nice.
I have it going like 80 pips.
You use fibs, don't you, though? Right?
So what?
You use fibs, don't you?
What do you mean?
Fibonacci.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yep. If you go to the 1 hour, that give me like the signal that this thing isn't go up.
This one here?
If you go to Rwanda, it gives you like a better like picture. That's what I'm using right now. Or that's my broker. Or like Rwanda, like it has like a different looking picture or charts.
On the 1 hour, you said?
Yep. Like I see like 5 long wicks. I'm like, oh yeah, that's going up for sure.
Mm.
You know, it's amazing how the different brokers, the data that they provide, it can be so diverse from one to another, man. It's crazy.
That's how they make money.
Yep.
Kid bastards.
AJ's moving now. Here we go. Okay. What's good, Gers?
Where do you guys want me to upload these books?
In
In right here in the self-development.
Yeah.
They're files.
It's not gonna let you upload files. You'll just have to put the name.
Yeah, send us the name, and those of us who are crafty enough will DM you directly for the actual file.
Oh, I could send you all of them. I'll zip it up and send it to you. They're good books. I'll send a few out.
Thank you, sir. We humbly appreciate it.
No problem. That's what we're here for.
I used to watch the families on TV, praying to God that could be me. Why does their life look so easy, and every problem ends so cheesy? Then I start to wonder, like Stevie, what would I get the fam if the money ain't a thing and the holidays were bang? But would I be okay if it never ever changed? We don't let the special moments go and just slip through the clock, cause we know the presents ain't the things hiding in the box. I used to be sad, cause we didn't get a lot, until I learned that you gotta love what you got. We don't have your picture perfect, cookie cutter. No, it's not your usual, but this family's beautiful. We don't have your picture perfect, cookie cutter. No, it's not your usual, but this family's beautiful.
I guess that
We
wasn't
would
right.
exchange gifts, only if the funds say we could. But the best gift was seeing everyone healthy and free, so you know I'm good. I would honestly take all of these gifts back, just to have a few people back. My baby niece started walking and she teething. That helps me take solace in this season. We don't let the special moments go and just slip through the clock, cause we know the presents ain't the things hiding in the box. I used to be sad, cause we didn't get a lot, until I learned that you gotta love what you got. We don't have your picture perfect, cookie cutter. It's not your usual, but this family's beautiful. We don't have your picture perfect, cookie cutter. No, it's not your usual, but this family's beautiful.
It was in the 1980s. My mom and them had rented a house on Dewey Street in Flint, Michigan, and it had a fireplace. I love fireplaces. It was the holidays. I walked in the house, threw my coat off, sat on the floor, and started singing chestnuts. Oh,
We don't have your picture perfect, cookie cutter. No, it's not your usual, but this family's beautiful. We don't have your picture perfect, cookie cutter. No, it's not your usual, but this family's beautiful. We don't have your picture perfect, cookie cutter.
How many do you guys use Hugo?
I do.
And how is it that you? How is that broker? Instead of me going through everything and reading it.
It hasn't been bad at all. As far as doing withdrawing money, you got to go through the whole Instacoin process. Depositing money is Instacoin process. Before they used to do the whole debit credit card, and then they went through a phase where they were using Zelle. But because of the way Zelle was sending the money, it became such a hassle because, one account couldn't receive any more than 21 deposits. It was a pain. So they did away with that whole thing and went to Instacoin. But I haven't had many issues with them. The biggest issue that I have with them is every once in a while I'll see where you'll just get no connection to the server. And I don't know if it's because they're doing maintenance on it or, or whatever they're doing to it. But and it may last like 5 to 10 seconds and then it comes right back. But it's not frequently. It's less, it occurs less now than it did before. When I first joined with them, you would see it 4 or 5 times a day from the phone, from the PC, wherever. Like, what in the world is going on here? But they've gotten better. They've gotten better. And the customer service isn't bad at all.
So I've got a question for you. So if I take Colombian pesos and transfer it to Bitcoin, and I take Bitcoin and transfer it to USD?
Well, so with Hugo's Way, whatever currency you deposit in is the currency they're gonna keep you in. So if you go from Colombian pesos to Bitcoin and have it convert to USD from there, then yeah, you're fine. If not, if you deposit in Colombian pesos, it's going to keep you in pesos.
Oh, it'll be none of that. Because when I take the American dollar on a given day, the peso goes way up on a dollar. I'm making more money through the transfer.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's real Forex right there.
There you go.
So what do you use to deposit money?
Instacoin. They'll actually tell you need to open up an Instacoin account and go through their whole verification process with them. But once you do it, depositing money into Hugo's Way becomes real easy. I mean, because you essentially go into Hugo's Way, you initiate the transfer, you put an amount, it redirects you to Instacoin. It gives you the link that you deposit the money against. So you go into Instacoin and you do the transfer and boom, you're done. You just have to approve the withdrawal and then you approve the transfer in Instacoin. So they've actually increased their security as well.
Oh, that's pretty good. They pay out within 1 day?
Yeah, actually, so they've gotten better. We've now seen it deposit in less than a day. It used to be 24 to 48 hours. So I guess it depends on how much you're doing.
I see. Well, can't go wrong with that. If you're asking them for a large amount of money, it's going to take them to get it transferred.
Yep. And the thing about it is, we were listening to somebody the other day. I think it was Rakil, where somebody asked him about brokers and stuff in Canada and the US, and because they're starting to regulate them so heavily here, that that they're forcing the leverage down from 50 to 1 to 30 to 1. One person said, they don't want to have any more wealthy traders. It was ridiculous. They're forcing more and more people to go with offshore brokers.
Well, most of the brokers there are going offshore.
Yeah, because they're tired of it. They're tired of it. I mean, listen, I understand that they want to protect people's accounts from, high risk over leveraging, blah, blah, blah. But if you're the one that initiated a trade where you over leverage your account, then you're an idiot.
Exactly.
It's quite that simple. You need to understand the risk before you get in the trade. Like we say in the island, if you can't swim, don't get in the water.
That's right. Exactly correct. Yeah, I guess Sea Trader is going to an offshore account. They're opening a different place offshore.
What's their leverage?
It's 500 to 1.
Okay, same as Hugo's Way.
And I got one from Blueberry Markets out of Australia. They're about the same.
Okay. The problem is not a lot of them are accepting U.S. clients. And that's what I'm afraid of is, the more and more, similar to how the U.S. went after the Cayman banks for, all of the guys who are keeping money offshore. I'm afraid at some point in time, they're going to try and go through, go after these offshore brokers. And all of them are going to stop, accepting U.S. clients or kick them out at some point. So,
Yeah, they're always trying to regulate something. That's just, that right there is total discrimination. You can't make money, we want half. Right?
Yep.
Looks like we're moving.
Oh no, we got a pretty good level. So we'll see. All right, guys, that's it for me tonight. I took a little paper trade on that breakout, but I'm done for the evening. I'll be back here tomorrow, though. It's good hearing you guys and that everybody's doing all right. Catch you all tomorrow, all right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Tomorrow.
Have
All right, guys.
together.
Yep, have a good night.
Yes.
I expect us to come down. What's up, Andy? How's that gold trade going?
Still in gold from yesterday at 1916. came all the way back down from 1943 to 1937 where it's at now. So I'm have a trailing stop loss 100 pips ahead of my entry, so I'm good.
Nice.
I'm giving the Nikkei a shot right now because Japan's open.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll see. I'm playing a support resistance level on an hourly to see what happens here. Micro lot to test.
Gotcha. Yeah, I don't know if this is going to happen on stream, but we pull back to this area here and make a support. I think that would be good for buys. We'll see if we can get there. Coming near the end of the session, so about 26 more minutes or so. Yeah, everything's been super rangy. We finally got one little burst up, but haven't really moved after that.
All right, I'm gonna bounce out to dinner. I will see you guys tomorrow.
You're gonna be in London?
Yeah.
I might be in London. We'll see if I can stay up.
Okay. Have a good night.
See ya.
Later.
What do I think of the chair? It's pretty good. I've heard the better chair though is Secret Lab. I've heard they're really, really, really good. They're more expensive by like double, but apparently they're better for basically sitting in for like minimum 8 to 10 hours a day.
What?
Mm-hmm. Where mine after like 4 hours or so, I'm just like, oh my god. But yeah, Secret Lab's apparently the best. But I'm pretty sure their like base standard model is like $600.
Whoa. Yeah, I
But
gotta
worth
take
it.
a look
So
at that. Yeah, gonna take a look at that. I need to see if they have a big boy chair.
I think they do. I think you can cut. It's customized by height and weight.
Sucky.
Man, the amount of spam folks accounts on IG is crazy.
What's up?
I said there's like so much like spam accounts about Forex
Oh my god, yeah.
on IG. It's like it's more like there's more spam than fitness accounts. Yeah.
Yo, my bad, I'm playing because I'm at school, that's why.
Why trade JPY instead of USD? I just like the way AJ moves better than AU. That's all. No reason. Wonder how AU looked today though. Probably the same. Yeah, pretty similar. Oh yeah, it had a little better close right here. That would have been a nicer trade. Probably would have taken the sells here, lost, or once this closed, exited and jumped in buys. Maybe we didn't take sells here, who knows. Yeah, hopefully we'll set something up now. Turn back here. Hit some sells. Yeah, and then yeah, JPY is gonna have more volume than USD in Asian session, usually. So yeah, I just like AJ. That's all. Preference.
When's that push fall normally? Is it like 9 p.m., right? The push that normally happens, is that at like 9 p.m.? Okay. Funny, I was looking back on my Trello and the best trades I've gotten are on that push, so.
I have no idea, Edwin. We haven't even returned back to that area yet, so I have no idea. We might not return back to it, so if it returns and if it gives a good candle with a good stop loss, then we get a trade. If it doesn't, then we're done.
Hey Paul, did you see the chart that Jay posted in our Zoom chat? Okay. Okay.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out cause you kept cutting the cord. And I started to fade into your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away. I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. I waited for you in the passenger seat. There's only so far I can ride in my dreams. While you were chasing everything else but me, I'm starting to break out from the gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away. I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. I'm not backing down, cause the future is now. Not backing down, cause the future is now.
Yep.
I've been down the wrong road, and I've been all alone. Drinking whiskey at the bottle, honey trying to drown all these sorrows. thing that I know, if it glitters, it ain't gold. I just let my heart break and trade that for a good song.
She figure pretty smart. All the breaks that we be taking make it seem like it done been a while. Never mind, we sleeping with our past ghosts. Ask those on that road how long this pain it lasts for. I don't know, but that ain't new to me. Usually I'd foolishly just think that we could be something we couldn't be. Trying to hear the truth we never spoke. Never know no different though than chasing down what isn't gold. If getting what you want require letting go, then that mean that we're capturing our youth require getting old. But all these choices they done been my own. Down the same road again we go, just hoping that the ending different though.
I've been down the wrong road, and I've been all alone. Drinking whiskey at the bottle, honey trying to drown all these sorrows. Only thing that I know, if it glitters, it ain't gold. I just let my heart break and trade that for a good song.
Most is pain self-inflicted. Mixing my pride and my indecision. Trying to find a silver lining in these bad decisions. Blind to that writing on the waters with a future written. Yeah, never been the best with my emotions. Nonetheless, the door was open. Fixing what's broken. You was my fixing so potent. Seeming clear to make years. Might just be some false hoping, but this is give and take. The love that went away. Disintegrate a product of them things we didn't say. It's heartbreaking the hardest. But honestly, I don't think that I can say that in exchange is what the wrong would be a penny lane.
I've been down the wrong road, and I've been all alone. Drinking whiskey at the bottle, honey trying to drown all these sorrows. Only thing that I know, if it glitters, it ain't gold. I just let my heart break and trade that for a good song. I've been down the wrong road, and I've been all alone. Drinking whiskey at the bottle, honey trying to drown all these sorrows. Only thing that I know, if it glitters, it ain't gold. I just let my heart break and trade that for a good song.
Look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, today is super slow. Like compared to